Hello, learners. From factory to code. Let's see Indian labor legislation timeline. Welcome to deep dive into the evolution of Indian labor legislation. Today we will explore the significant milestones in the history of labor laws in India, from their inception to the present day. Join me as we uncover the pivotal movements that have shaped the workforce environment in one of the world's largest economies. Colonial era beginnings. From 1881 to 1947, there were several acts and rules and regulations were there, such as Factory Regulation, Factories Act, Trade Union Laws, Independence. Our journey begins in the pre-independence era where the seeds of labor legislation were first sown. The Factories Act of 1881 marked the beginning, aimed at addressing the dire condition in textile mills. We will discuss how these early laws laid the groundwork for future norms. Independence and new foundations. Following independence in 1947, India saw a surge in labor law reforms. The Constitution of India incorporated several provisions to protect labor rights, leading to the enactment of key legislations such as the Minimum Wages Act of 1948 and the Employees State Insurance Act of 1952. Growth of labor protections. From the 1960s to the 1980s, India's labor laws expanded to include more comprehensive protections such as the Maternity Benefit Act of 1961 and the Boundary Labor System Abolition Act of 1976. These laws aimed to enhance the welfare and rights of workers across various sectors. Great Bombay Textile Strike in 1982. Here, 250,000 workers for 18 months were there on the strike. Challenges of complexity. There were 150 plus state laws as well as 60 plus central laws. The economic liberalization of 1990s brought significant changes to India's labor laws. The opening of the economy led to new challenges and opportunities, prompting amendments to existing laws and the introduction of new regulations to meet the demand of a globalized market. The labor laws revolution. In the recent years, India has continued to reform its labor laws to streamline processes and promote ease of doing business. The introduction of the Codes on Wages 2019 and the Industrial Relations Code 2020 are steps towards consolidating and modernizing labor regulations for the new age. Impact. Employment surge. The employment rate has increased. The unemployment rate has decreased to 3.2% only, and 15.6 million women has entered the workforce. The road ahead. Here we can conclude the evolution of labor laws in India is a testament to the country's ongoing commitment to improving the working conditions and rights of its vast workforce. As we look to the future, it's clear that the journey of labor legislation in India is far from over, with continuous improvement on the origin. That was it for today. We will meet in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.